you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Yeah, that sunshine weather didn't last long, did it? But that didn't stop me. I got a food pantry haul for you today. It's our local food pantry. You can go twice a month. All right, come on. Let's take a look at what they gave me. It's a pretty good deal because they pack it up for you. Starting from left to right, we have some wonderful new diced potatoes. These are wonderful because someone wrote in and asked me to do a vegetarian casserole, and that's what I'm going to do today. Later on, we're going to make this. I'm going to show you how to do my green bean and scalloped potatoes with no meat. It's just wonderful. I love it. Now we got some spaghetti rings. Jay is going to love that. I got some whole kernel corn. No salt added. I also got some green beans, no salt added. They're going to go in the casserole I make. Yeah. I got some tomatoes. Ooh, diced tomatoes, no salt added. And I'm going to tell you a story later on about the sodium I did when I went out to a buffet lately. Got some spaghetti sauce, low sodium. Cream of chicken, tomato soup. Now, I am going to use this cream of chicken, but since I'm putting it in a casserole and combining it with other stuff, it'll spread it out and it won't be too much sodium, okay? Now, we also got us some seafood. We got some tuna here. All right, it's in water. Yeah, that's going to be handy. I got some yellow clean sliced peaches. What is wrong with me today? I can't even talk. An extra light syrup. These make wonderful smoothies, guys. Or you can make mini little pot pies, like a peach cobbler. Yeah. I got some vegetable oil. Lord knows I needed that. I needed some vegetable oil. I had run out. Oh, I also got 2 things of macaroni and cheese. How much macaroni and cheese do you get? Let me know, because we seem to get tons of it. But I use it for all kind of things. Anywhere from desserts to casseroles to macaroni and cheese. Also, soups. We got some grains over here. Some of that crispy rice, or Rice Krispie, knockoff cereal, which is pretty good. You can still make those Rice Krispie treats with this stuff. All kind of things. It's pretty good. And some peanut butter honey cookies. Oh, if you haven't done that with these, you are missing out. I'll show you how. We have some organic wheat bread here. Ooh, 22 whole grains, it says. 80 calories per slice. That ain't bad. Some raisins. Oh, I love raisins. Y'all know I love raisins, right? I do anything from cookies to putting these in my cereal. You know what? You can make your own raisin bran. Just buy some bran flakes, which are much cheaper, and add the raisins to them. That's all you got to do. Now I got some rice, white rice. Ooh, this is going to be good. I got 2 pounds. Make some liver and rice with gravy. Oh, I know some people are going, liver? Yeah, I love it. Sorry. We've got some oatmeal here. Love that. Some penne pasta. Ooh, with Italian sausage and some green peppers and onions. Oh, yes. I got a thing of Ritz crackers. How do you say that? Ritz? Yeah. The original. Then I got some peanut butter and jelly. Oh, yes. Now, check this out. We got some of these wicked Beyond Meat naked burritos. Ooh, Uncle Chris show's getting kind of raunchy. No, these are really good. I'm going to try them out. My people say they're good, so I'm going to try them. Then we got some ground turkey. 2 of these. So I could make anything from turkey burgers to turkey chili casseroles, but we're doing a vegetarian casserole. So I'll save this. Then I've got some drumsticks, an entire bag, 5 pounds. Wow. 5 pounds of these. Then they actually gave us some toiletries. I didn't know they still made Pepsodent. I had no clue. Did you all know that? Huh. We also got 2 rolls of toilet paper. That is so cool. Let's get a wide angle view of everything we got here. That is so cool. We got some good blessings here. So you see what you can get from a food pantry, and I've given you a few ideas of what you can make with the stuff you get from the food pantry. Now we are going to be doing a vegetarian casserole tonight. I'll try to get that video up either tonight or tomorrow, just depending, okay? Now also write to me, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com, okay? Now listen, don't you be ashamed to go to the food pantry. Or maybe you could donate to a food pantry. This was the Greater Chicago Food Depository. I'm going to put a link to them down below. Let me know what state you live in. Maybe I can find some resources for you. Okay? Now, like I said, write to me. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. Okay? Let me know what I can make for you. Also, we've got the planting of the garden coming up. Just bear with me because this Chicago weather, until after Mother's Day, don't plant nothing outside. But I'm going to show you how the garden is going so far. Wait, should I do that now? Yes! Let's go take a look. Look, look. The garden is gardening. Yes, 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 yes. Hot peppers, eggplant, and zucchini squash. Here at the other end, I got some more. I believe these are peppers or cherry tomatoes. And I got some more big steak tomatoes going over here. And then down here, we got watermelon vines growing. Oh, this is going to be so good. Okay, now you see how my garden is growing? I can't wait to plant it, and I can't wait to have it all just blooming up and looking nice. Ooh, the importance of a garden is very, very up on the list. Because if you grow your own things, you know what's in it, you know how to grow it, you know how to grow it again. Okay? All right. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Write to me and let me know what's going on with you. All right. I am going to do that vegetarian casserole in my next video, and I want you all to make it. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?